Cathy Ryan, and I'm with eXp Realty, and I'm here with Calvin and Donna Evans, my very sweet, loving, wonderful clients. We met about 11 years ago. Can you believe that?
I remember calling you because I needed help. The market had fallen apart and I had to short sell my house.
You were like the one, once we met you, nobody else. But the people before that, it was kind of like, are they new? You know, they were asked, one lady sent us a packet and said, you fill it out. And we were like, that's not gonna happen. But so I remember when we met you and you were just like, I got it. Don't worry about it. You was like, really? Oh no, you were like, oh no, I'm already on it. So we were like, can you look for something for us? She was like, don't worry about it. And like they say, the rest is history.
And then when it was time.
Yes, when it was time.
Oh my goodness. We thought that was our dream house.
Right.
It was, we had looked for several homes. We went in there. I remember it fell out of escrow twice.
Yes, this was the one on Villanado, correct?
It fell out of escrow twice. We were like, when we walked in, there's no way. And Cathy always stayed positive, and it ended up being our home. We want to retire on a golf course. We want to be in senior living. We don't want to have, we just want it to be everything, all the amenities, and we came here one time. One time you can, one at time.
Yes.
We looked at maybe 3 or 4 houses.
Yes.
Yep. We put this offer and here we are.
That's right.
Yes.
Sold that one and then bought this one.
Bought this one. It was
selling a house,
selling
and then buying
at
a
the
house.
same time. I thought would be super stressful. It was not, because you just made everything so well. You always give me that sense of, it's going to be all right.
It's going to be all right.
It's going to be all right.
She said, go find what
and
you
I
need.
ask a question, you tell me the answer. Same thing, you ask me, and I try to get back to you. And we've always had this beautiful working relationship.
Yes, we have.
So now, again,
a week ago,
go ahead.
A week ago, Donna calls. And I'm like, okay. Donna calls, and she starts talking, how's the market? And I'm like, okay.
That tone.
You want to sell.
There it is.
Was I correct?
That was last Sunday, and this house is sold.
Yes.
We didn't even have a chance to really, we didn't even get a chance to put a sign up. That's how fast it sold.
Yeah.
So it was gone, and it was another just smooth, very easy transaction, and now we're off to
Tennessee.
Well, it's definitely a thing where, even I think I had a real estate question. I was like, well, I'm gonna call Cathy. She'll know.
Yeah.
And I had to talk to Cathy and hey, Calvin and that. So again, she's my real estate guru. I don't really mess with anybody else. I'm like, Cathy will know. And then she even looked something up for me and let me know. She was like, yeah, that's you. So again, Cathy, she's more like family.
Yeah.
I can tell you, it's more like family. She said, what are you looking for? She said, go find what you want. When you find what you want, we'll make it happen. And that's pretty much what it was, because our place, it was gone. And she was like, is this what you want?
Yep.
We walked in here, previous owner was a Cubs fan. I was sold.
Yep. Yeah, I remember the baseballs on the wall.
I was like, are those baseballs? Yeah.
Yep, the baseballs on the wall. So that is so awesome. And I greatly appreciate you guys. I greatly appreciate the referrals you've given me through the years too. I appreciate you guys so much.
Yes.
And I am here for you. I love you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Miss
Thank you, and
Cathy.
we love you too.
Yes, yes, yes.
I just want to thank Calvin and Donna for allowing us to come into their home. I greatly appreciate them and our relationship that we've had over the last 11 years. They are truly great people. Who you work with in a real estate transaction really matters. You want somebody who's going to take care of you and take care of your needs and listen to you to get you what you want. I'm Cathy Ryan with eXp Realty. I'm here for all of your real estate needs. Just reach out and I'm here for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.